Hi, I'm Steven from One-Click LCA, and today I will show you how to use the C calculations feature. With this function, we can have some insight into how the software is calculating our emissions. For this, we have to have created a project and navigated to one of the input pages. In this case, I'm on the building materials page, and I have already added some data and saved it so that it calculates the emissions. If I then click on any of the generated emissions, like for these balconies, I can see that it generates specific emissions for materials, transportation, waste transport, and processing. But what it generates depends, of course, on the project you're doing and on the materials which you have added there. If we click on the emissions and we click on C calculations, it will give us insight in how the calculations are done. And if we're using a tool which has both +A1 and +A2 data, it will display three separate global warming potential categories, but with +A1 tools, it will only display one. We can then click on the C calculations, and it will display the calculation behind, in this case, the 385 kilograms CO2 equivalent. For this example, it's not localized, so it uses exactly what is in the EPD. However, if we are having a product which is localized, like the one right here, it is produced in one country, but it's localized to another. It will also show us the localization calculation. For this, we of course have to click on the C calculation. So we see here that it is localized from Sweden to Netherlands, and it also shows which profiles it uses and the calculation behind it. So hopefully this helps you gain a little bit insight into how the software calculates your emissions. Thanks for watching.